Plumbers-Davids Plumbing and Sewer is a highly skilled licensed plumbing contractor with over 50 years of experience serving the Sea Tac, Washington area. David Hulligan, the founder of David's Plumbing and Sewer, grew up in his family's plumbing business. David continues to offer quality plumbing services to Seattle, Washington and the surrounding area. We are family-owned and operated. We are fully licensed and insured. We are licensed journeyman plumbers and have our gas and piping certification. We are a reliable and experienced plumbing contractor. We take pride in our high-quality service. We give prompt, reliable service and 24-hour emergency service 7 days a week. Your satisfaction is always guaranteed. Our #1 goal is to deliver first-rate professional service at the lowest, most affordable rates. We are only a phone call away, 24 hours a day. Please call 206-658-8000. David's Plumbing and Sewer provides plumbing services for both residential and commercial properties. We are specialists in all drain and sewer cleaning, side sewer repair, water line repair, replacing water service, and gas piping. We are specialists in water heater repair and replacement, camera inspection, remodeling, garbage disposal repair and installation, and new construction. We can lower your utility bills. We provide hot water heater repair, water heater installation, and tankless water heater installation. Call us today for quality plumbing services by experienced plumbing contractors. We provide 24-hour emergency services 7 days a week. Please call 206-658-8000.